Welcome back, everyone. Thanks for coming back and checking us out again. I really do appreciate that. Today, I am sitting at Simmons Park. The intention today was going to change because I didn't realize it was going to be so rough out there. I was going to go up north to Apollo Beach and fish the Apollo Beach area in the canals, and then go on the north side of the Apollo Beach area, and that's where the power plant lets in all the warm water, and I was going to try fishing up there. But I know you can't see it right now, but back there on the water, it is rough. There's a northwest wind blowing. I didn't think it was going to be that bad, but it's pretty bad. So I'm probably going to go a little bit south and duck into the Little Manatee River and just hide in the river. All right, so that's the plan for today. Come on along for a ride.
Right about here, I had enough of getting beat up by the waves and the wind and getting soaking wet. So I tried to duck back into a little harbor for a little while. Fished off this rocky point, which is right off the corner where the first set of townhouses are. But I didn't catch anything here, so I didn't stay too long. And I moved farther back into a little harbor's safety zone, basically, for what I was considering it. A safety zone from the wind and the waves and getting soaking wet. As you'll see coming up, I tried multiple different spots. I tried this boathouse with the dock and a floating dock. Nothing. I went farther back in and did the mangroves. Nothing. I went farther back and to the right back in there. There's a big flats area with mud. I could see wakes pushing from fish. I don't know if they're a mullet or redfish or what, but absolutely nothing. So I got the heck out of Little Harbor and I headed over to the Little Manatee River. This is a spot that I always go to on the Little Manatee River. It always holds snappers or sheep's head, and I've even caught a couple of decent-sized snook off of this area.
I finally got one on here. I've been out here for quite a while. It's windy out there in the bay, so I came in here in the river. Ooh, what the heck was that? Ah, it's a little sheep's head. All right, hey, it's better than nothing. We'll send this one back and try to get a bigger one.
Okay, I'm looking up in the parking lot. I know I made a mistake coming out here with my truck. There's a whole truck up there in the parking lot. The whole parking lot. Okay, this day is done. Too windy, too rough. Can't find any fish out there. The only thing I caught was that one sheepshead that you saw. Oh, yeah, wasted day, wasted shrimp. It was still a good time. I enjoyed it. I have northwest blowing like 10 to 15 miles an hour in Tampa Bay. Stay in the river or get out of here. So that's it for me. Thank you very much. Appreciate you watching.